I'm stuck, can't you tell? It's not your fault, and I can't get out. Oh, the days are like hell when you're gone and I'm alone. I don't mind. Are you coming home now? 'Cause I set alarms and you left me torn. Who are you running to now? Is he big and strong? Does he make you warm? I don't mind at all. I'll tell